Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to our brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use AI for bots. So how you can actually start or use ChatGPT for bot development and where we can use any script you want, for example, Python script. So let's go first to any kind of browser that you have on your device and then go to the URL section and open AI, something like so and type this.com. So now go to the top of the website and click on try. Now here, as you can see guys, what I'm going to do is pretty simple. Click on try and open this page. For you, you will have to add one more step, which is logging into your account. If you don't have an account, just create one. It's gonna be pretty simple, pretty easy process. Now after we finish with that, what I'm going to do is chat GPT. This is the page and this is the chat. So what I'm going to do is chat with them. So can you give me a simple script code for a bot using Python? So here it is now collecting data, seeing if it can answer this question or not. All right, it can actually answer that. So here's a sample script for chatbot using Python. So actually this is a chatbot that can actually talk with us, etc. So hi there, hello, how are you doing? I'm doing great. This so trainer.train. This is actually really good. So response chatbot get response, good morning, print response. So this is actually pretty decent, but so you can add to it anything here. You can make it better. You can add any answers that you want, and actually you can use this to prank your friends if you want to. So yeah, you guys, so this is a script creates new chatbot named Charlie. Okay, it names Charlie and trains it with a list of predefined responses. Then when the user inputs good morning, the bot will respond with one of the responses if it was trained on, such as hello, or good morning, how are you, etc. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.